In this video, we will go over TradeUI's ticker flow section. So whenever you log into TradeUI and you click on ticker flow on the left-hand side, this window should populate. What this window does is it gives an overall view of the option data coming in sort of a watch list format. It's compiled into each ticker, so this shows all the option data for NVIDIA, this one's Tesla, S&P 500, and etc. You'll see the put flow, which shows you what percentage of these contracts are puts versus what percentage are calls. In this case, 24% of the contracts for NVIDIA are puts today. It'll show you the time of the last order. It'll also show you a linear chart of the net premiums coming in. In this case, you can see spikes of Tesla having net premiums purchased and sold based off this median baseline. Example, MSTR had a huge spike in contracts during the middle of the trading day, and the total is 108 contracts so far. It'll tell you what percentage of the contracts are out the money, what percentage are ask, and what percentage are bids. It'll show you the total premium of all the option contracts, the average price, the average expiration. It'll also show you unusual out the money transactions as well as unusual contract purchase orders. It will show you the unusual option activity premium that is taken from the overall premium, as well as show you the out the money sweeps, and it'll show you the contracts that are out the money versus the sweep premium that's out the money. So you can filter this down. Say you want to see unusual premium. So you select the highest from lowest, and then you can compare it to put flow. So we want to see Amazon, for example, has a lot of unusual option activity, and they have had a ton of calls bought today because they've only had 17% of the contracts been puts. This was later in the trading day because we had a huge spike recently. And 36% of these are out the money. The average move expectation is going to take 68 days. And 28% of all the contracts purchased today are considered unusual. That's just one quick way that you can use this watch list. So what you can do as a trader is incorporate your own strategies based off this data here to produce your results.